Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Master reverse edits in CapCut PC. So here I'll be teaching how to master reverse edit. So to reverse a video right here in what do you call this CapCut PC, just head up right here and then click on reverse right there. Click right here, then reverse. Now I'm gonna teach you how to master it. To master it, first thing you need to do is watch the clip of the video that you want to reverse. Let's say you want that part. It's running right there. It's going to you, then there. You want that part. Right here to there. So now you're gonna ask, how will I know if it looks good when I reverse it? Well, that's very easy. How to know if it looks good when you reverse it? I suggest dragging your mouse and doing this. Then after dragging it, drag it right back. There you go. As you can see right there. There. So as you can see, it looks good and we want that. So as you can see, we're doing like a flash in and flash out, right? Something like that. So it looks good. So now we're gonna cut on that part right there. So now we want that part like what we saw. There you go. We can cut that part. So after we cut that part, copy this part right here. Copy that part right there. So the first one's we're gonna make it reverse, and the other part is not. We're not gonna make it reverse. So it's gonna look like. So as you can see, plate looks like that. So now we're gonna make the other half reverse. Click on reverse right there, and see what it looks like. So slow. There you go. As you can see. Now we're gonna add some flash in, flash out. If you know how to do that, the flash in, flash out, I suggest custom so you can adjust it by yourself. If you don't know, I suggest using the automatically built-in flash in right there and a built-in flash out right here for the second clip. So it looks like this. So so it looks good. So we're just gonna copy it. So I just want to see what it looks like when it's just repeating like that. There you go. As you can see, the video looks very good. Now let's say if you want to make your own video. So a quick tip for you guys. A quick tip for you guys. If you're making your own video, like let's say you're gonna make a video of yourself doing a reverse, I suggest guys try to act um try to make yourself do um those things that you want to do, but in reverse in real life. So if you don't understand what I mean, let's say if you want to do like a reverse, like a magical reverse. Let's say you're this line right there, and let's just say you're this line right there, and you're supposed to wait, there we go. You're supposed to you're supposed to run like that, like in front. And instead of running like that, I suggest in your video on your camera, walk backwards, run backwards. If you're running forward, run backwards. If you're trying to throw if you're trying to get something, drop it first and make it feel like you're getting something in reverse. So there you go, guys. So yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more question on this reverse on your CapCut, just type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And another quick tip: when adding reverses like this, doing reverse like this, I suggest using some effects for it, or I suggest you can do the jug. So if you want to know how to do the jug, we have a video in guidance that how to do jugs in CapCut. So I suggest you watching that so you can know how to do a jug, and also the reverse. Apply this both two methods. It will look good on the video. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys please enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it in the comments below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.